So I'm a big believer in understanding a little bit. It helps me be more convinced of what I'm doing and more committed to what I'm doing. And I don't want to get all technical, and I'm not a stat geek, but I do think that if you can understand a little bit about the equation that the roll board is going to be an answer for, it's going to help you get it. So I want to give us some background into the elements of what causes a ball to roll. Got it? And they're not terribly new, but in combo, they were very new to me. The first one is the loft of the putter. You go to the store, you get one, it's got 3 or 4 degrees of loft, so be it, whatever that may be. The second part is the shaft lean of the putter. And what makes that a little bit unique is that it's what I call the dynamic shaft lean. Because if I start in this position and I forward press it, now the shaft lean is forward. So it's not the shaft lean at address necessarily, it's the dynamic lean, which means it's at impact is what really matters. I can do those two things in combination. Obviously, they affect each other a lot. And we see some odd things occasionally on the tour, like our friend Zach Johnson obviously has a way back shaft lean, but the loft on the putter is very negative, so that at impact, the dynamic lean is exactly where he wants it. Got it? So there's a combo there that you can find. The third one, though, is a little bit hidden, I think, and it's what we call the rise angle of the putter. Do you hit the ball with the putter at the bottom of the stroke? Is the stroke starting to catch the ball on the upswing? If so, how much of it? Not very many people hit the ball on the downswing, but that would be an element, right? Now here's the deal. Creating those three things is not an equation that says it has to be 0 or it has to be, it's just impossible. The answer to that equation is the roll board. If the ball rolls, your equation is correct. The loft of the putter, the shaft lean of the putter, and the rise angle of the putter create the ball to roll, skip, hop, jump, squirt, bounce, slide, and that's what the roll board tells us. So the adjustments that you can make in your putting stroke, in your setup and equipment, the roll board is the answer to that. So those three elements, the loft of the putter, the shaft, the dynamic shaft lean, taking into effect if you have a forward press or not, and then the rise angle. We've got some other videos that will help you diagnose that a little bit, but I want you to understand what those elements are, what the semantics of those are, because going forward, if we're going to get better, we got to understand a little bit about it. It's going to make us better.